Hi, I'm Amy from Doodle Dog Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to separate an entire skein of DMC floss into 3 strands all at one time. Let's get started. I'm going to take this skein of DMC embroidery floss, it's 6 strand, and I'm going to separate the entire strand all at once into 2 sets of 3 strands so I can punch with 3 strands. To do this, I'm going to use just a standard fishing swivel. I found this in our family tackle box. If you don't have a tackle box in your house, you can get them in the fishing section at sporting goods stores or Walmart. And as you can see here, they've got a little hook that will open up. It's got a swivel on here, which is how the twist will come out of the string as you're pulling it apart. And so I've just taken a piece of regular string and tied it onto this end of the fishing swivel. On the other end of the string I made a loop so I can hang it over a doorknob or whatever is handy in the house. So the first thing I do is take the paper off the floss, and then I'm going to unwind it and tie one end of it onto this end of the fishing swivel. Just a simple knot so it will stay. And then I'm going to take the other end, the loop, and I'm going to hang it over a doorknob. I'm going to hang the end on the doorknob here, and then I will unwind the string, and I'll just let it lay on the floor as I unwind it. I'm going to take it all the way across the room so that it's completely spread out. When you start separating, if you start at the very tip, for some reason it tends to get tangled. So if you go down, about 6 to 12 inches from the end and start there, it works much better. So go down a little ways from the end and separate it out so you have 3 strands in each hand, and pull it open back to the end of the string, and then we'll start pulling it open towards the string that's tied onto the swivel. As I walk forward, I'm pulling the 2 sides of string apart, and it is causing this fishing swivel to spin, and that takes all of the twist out of the yarn. When I get to the very end here, the yarn is all separated, and usually I can just pull that off, but if I can't get it pulled off, I just cut it right there. And now I've got 2 sets of 3 strand embroidery floss that I can punch with, and I don't have to thread the punch needle near as often because they're the whole skein long. If you like this video, please be sure to subscribe below and click the like button. I'll see you next time. Bye!